Okay, palakpakan mo natin ulit sila. Nagwagi para sa women's 12 under. Tawagin na po natin ang boys 14 under. Boys. Men's 14 under. We have second runner-up, yung third place natin, si Allen Miranda, si Devin Catalan. At yung second place natin, si Jasper Morelos. And the champion, we have Jefferson de la Cruz. Malakpakan po natin. Jesus. Jefferson Jesus. The champion. Ulitin po, malakpakan po natin si Allen Miranda, David Catalan, para sa third place, si Jasper, para sa second place, Morelos. At ang champion ay si Jefferson Jesus ng Tata. And for the women's 14 under, we have the third place, Erica Beltran and Paula Catalan.
Third place. Naka-makeup pa yan, ha?
And the second runner-up goes to Will Malin. Kasabay. Kasanay ba ito? Kasabay. Kasaway. Oh, kasaway. Yes. Hindi mo pasaway? Hindi. Hindi mo second place yan. And the champion, we have Aiza Haraji. Thomas Earnshaw, table tennis.
Madami na yung photographer, ha?
Lagi.
1, 2,
Si Paula Catalan sa radyo, ATC. Okay, lapakan po natin ang nag-champion po si Aiza Haraji ng Thomas Earnshaw, ATC. And we'll go now to boys 17 under. Boys. Ang third place natin, dalawa, no? Marvin Carion ng Tatan at si Giovanni Kabanatan ng Rancho TCC. At ang second, first runner natin, si Aiko Tan. Aiko ba ito? Aiko Tan ng Tatan. And the champion, we have Riz Nora from Rancho TCC. Ito, yung makikita to. Layo na. Layo. Yung LM... Tiga saan?
Ate Joy.
Okay, palakpakan po natin eh. Riz Nora.